Okay, guys, let's take a look at this trade on the pound CAD. We've got 2 for 1 here. There was one, and then there was a second. They set up just literally days apart. This is a phenomenal trade. It's textbook. It's exactly per our strategy. The trend line breaks, we enter the trade. Let's look at these 2 trades in detail. Okay. So here we're coming down the mountain. Okay, and we're saying to ourselves, "Oh, look, this is going down, 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 down." We expect at some point it's going to go up, 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 down, down, up, up, up. We expect something, and that's the whole thing about the strategy here. It's so much based on expectation. Okay, down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, up, and that's just the way it plays out here. This particular trade is absolutely phenomenal. Okay, because we've talked about this time and time again. We just recently did a trade, the exact same thing like this, on the USD CHF, the dollar Swiss. Okay, exact same thing. I'll put a link either in the disclaimer or at the end of this video in the credit somewhere. I'll put a link to that USD CHF. You're going to see it's exactly the same thing that played out. Trend lines in place, break with the fib, and then, I mean, let's put the lipstick on because we do it. What would you have here? You got the pullback entry, right? Now here we see again, pullback entry is not taken in, right? Okay, that's not a problem because what do? We belt and braces, right? Isn't that what we say? We have another entry here. So if the pullback entry you don't get taken in, then here we are. Entry number 2 is there. And then it's just the same thing over and over again, guys. Target 1, target 2. I mean, you're right. It's the same thing over and over again. Look at all the videos that I've done. And it's exactly the same thing I'm putting on the chart. I'm not reinventing the wheel. I'm not, right? It's the same thing that's going on the chart. And then as you look back, you'll see it's the same trade setting up over and over, time and time and time and time again, right? Okay, sorry, let's put the stop loss marker down here. Notice, I'll have to do a video on this another time, by the way, guys, that my stop loss, okay, is literally marked on the fib. That has humongous. Oftentimes you see I do these trades, the stop loss is never at risk. Sometimes it does. That has tremendous meaning for me. But notice it's marked on the fib. So this is a beautiful strategy, right? Break of the trend line, got to factor pullback, entry not taken in. We got a second entry just above the fractal there. So we got at 60 pips. If we took it to target 1, 30 pips. So really, again, I don't care. If you got into trade when the trend line broke, you made money. Period. Period. That's all there is to it. That's trade 1. Because this is a 2 for 1, isn't it? And what I can literally do here, guys, here it is again. The trend line breaks. You got it going across the tops, okay? So we're in a bullish market. There's target 2. I mean, how simple does this get? This really, right? Target 1 is in here, right? It's all marked. 200 fib is target 2. Then we have our entry just above, right? The break. We have our pullback. Now the pullback entry got hit. 50%. No, it got hit. Stabbed. Now look at the rejection wicks on there. Got stabbed in, mate. We're in the trade. Stop loss again. It's down here. Was never in trouble, right? Break at 100, bring the stop loss up to break even. But anyway, you know, now in this trade, you got in at the 50, wicked in a beautiful entry. Good Lord. Have you ever seen an entry so beautiful? You trade it up to the 107 pips. 107 pips, 70 pips. Oh, look at that. That's 69 pips. Oh, gosh. Come on. If you went there. I mean, multiple entries. How many entries are you going to have on there, guys? I mean, trust me, I load. I'm jumping in a trade. I'm loading that bad boy up. I'm confident with these trades. You know what I'm saying? I am confident with these. They happen over and over and over and over again. And here I am documenting it for you guys in a video. You can go back and see multiple expressions of these trades, how they've set up. It's in a book, right? So we don't make things up as we go along. It's in a book. It's a working strategy. There's multiple videos on YouTube showing, and we have a trade group where we even talk about these trades in advance of them happening. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. It's meant to be a short one. We've got a couple more to produce. Pound dollar was good. New Zealand. Listen, there were so many trades last week. It was ridiculous. So hope you enjoyed this trade and look forward to seeing you guys on the next one. Thanks again. Do appreciate your time, and I do value that, I must tell you. Be sure to leave a comment in the box below. Let me know what currency pairs you would like, if you'd like me to discuss one. Like and subscribe. Help us get a message out there. There's $5 trillion every day in the Forex market. There's plenty of money to share. There's just so much to go around. Okay? Say no more. See you on the next trade, guys. Thank you much, and bye-bye.